Today I'd like to answer the frequently asked question, how to prime an article. This question is unlikely to interest experienced viewers, but I believe it can be useful for beginners. I can hardly give you exact proportions. Let me explain why. Consistency of school glues made by different manufacturers can differ. These two look identical, but they can differ a bit, so maybe we'll have to pick different ratio for our mixtures. So I pour school glue into a jar. My glue is rather thick. So I take about 1/3 of glue and 2/3 of water. Well, sometimes I mix them 1 to 1. It depends on how strong our article has to be. I've painted the top edge of this article with paint mixed with school glue, so it's kind of primed already. But usually I prime articles with mixture consisting of 1 part of school glue and 2 parts of water, if school glue is thick. If it's not, you better mix them 1 to 1. Sometimes I fail to mix them thoroughly enough, so the upper layer of solution is thin while it is thick at the bottom. In this case I add some more water. It's not that crucial how thick your solution is. Mine is a bit too thin, you can make it some thicker. And just cover the article with this primer. Priming makes color brighter. Pay attention, look at these and those tubes. You can see the difference. Compare the orange color here and there, for example. By the way, the color will remain as it is even after priming. It is what you have to take into account, that the article will be of the color of wet tubes. So I'm priming the decoupaged part of the basket in the same way. And that's actually all. It is what priming is like, school glue mixed with water in the flexible ratio depending on how thick the glue is. Priming makes an article stronger. You mustn't varnish the article until priming has dried completely. You prime the article both on the outside and inside, and then you leave it till it gets absolutely dry. So far, while the article is moist, you can shape it, smoothen the corners. If your article is round-shaped, you have to press it with some weight, otherwise your round bottom will get twisted. It is now when the article is flexible and you can shape it. After it gets dry, you will hardly be able to reshape it. So, you prime an article, wait till it gets dry, and only after that you can start covering it with lacquer.